4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский. Домашнее задание, урок 41, часть 2, страница 96-97. English Starlight for homework, lesson number 41, part number 2, page number 96-97. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 96. 96. Port Ferry. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Swimsuit, swimming trunks, sandals, sleeping bag, sun cream, sunglasses. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the sentences and write the words. Прочитай предложение и напиши слова. Number 1. Boys wear these when they go swimming. The answer number 1. Мальчики носят это, когда идут плавать. The answer swimming trunks. Sentence number 2. You should put on some of these before you go swimming. The answer number 2. Тебе следует наложить немного этого вещества перед тем, как пойти плавать. The answer sun cream. Sentence number 3. Girls wear this when they go swimming. Number 3. The answer. Девочки носят это, когда идут плавать. The answer swimsuit. Number 4. In the summer, you wear this on your feet. Number 4. The answer. Летом ты носишь это на ногах. The answer sandals. Number 5. You can sleep in this. The answer number 5. Ты можешь спать в этом. The answer sleeping bag. Number 6. You put this on when it's sunny. Number 6. The answer. Ты одеваешь это, когда солнечно. The answer sunglasses. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. What aren't they wearing? Choose. Во что они не одеты? Выбери. Skirt, jumper, hat, socks, sunglasses, sandals, coat, swimming trunks, boots, coat, dress, jumper, trousers, shirt, shoes, swimsuit. The answer number 1. Skirt. Number 2. Coat. Number 3. Dress. Number 4. Swimsuit. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 97. 97. Exercise number 4. Listen, point and repeat. Rucksack, map, tent, camp, wetsuit, dive, surf, souvenir. Read once more, please. Rucksack, map, tent, souvenir, camp, wetsuit, dive, surf. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Complete, then sing along. Закончи, затем спой самостоятельно. Number 1, swim. Number 2, blue. Number 3, eat. Number 4, tent. Number 5, bear. I'm going to swim. I'm going to swim. I'm going to swim in the sea so blue. Be careful, be careful. A big white shark is going to eat you. I'm going to camp. I'm going to camp. I'm going to camp in a tent for 2. Be careful, be careful. A big black bear is going to come too. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Rearrange the letters to find out what Sam is going to do on holiday. Переставь буквы так, чтобы узнать, что собирается делать Сэм на каникулах. The answer: go diving, go camping, go surfing, go swimming, go fishing. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.